SUI Carbon Industrial Sales is a manufacturing and trading firm formally registered and organized in July 25, 2013, engaged in selling machinery parts and components to better serve the requirements of different industrial, commercial, transportation, and construction industries as a reputable and reliable supplier. Our president, Engineer Rodolfo Vargas, former employee of Markley Philippines Incorporated in 1986 to 2005, equipped with sales and technical expertise, especially in the field of carbon graphite products, started to envision changes in the global market by providing a wide known quality products and services at a reasonable price, with strict quality control on materials used, which ensures dependable quality of all its carbon and related byproducts. By his enthusiastic mindset in engineering and technology, and through the help of his wife and children, he registered the company in the name of his daughter, Miss Rodaline Kate Vargas. We actually specializes in producing different kinds of carbon graphite products, such as carbon brushes, brush holders, slip rings, constant force springs, carbon seals, carbon vanes, which are used in various industries such as power generation, steel mills, cement manufacturing and mining, harbor and ports, airlines and ships, sugar mills and paper and plastic mills, paper and plastic printing and packaging, textile manufacturing plants, food and beverages, power tools and automotives, and a variety of motors and pumps. Carbon brush is responsible for conducting current between rotating parts and stationary parts of electric motors, alternators, and generators. It is an important device of a machine that we use in our everyday life. It is like the heart of the machine motor, which is necessary to make our lives easier and better in building our economy and our nation. Without these carbon brushes, we cannot produce electricity through a magnetic field with a positive and negative polarity. Basically, carbon graphite products are manufactured abroad, and it is not really a typical product with familiarity in the Philippines. We, at Sui Carbon, we believe that we can come along with this global market competition when it comes to quality and price. Through the help of the government agencies such as DTI, DOST, and other institutions, we can produce a local carbon brushes equal to some well-renowned international brands. Good morning. My name is Rab Centeno, and we're looking to cultivate a team of sales executives who thrive in an environment where empathy and emotional intelligence are at the forefront of customer interactions. Ideal candidates will identify and network with potential customers. They will also build genuine connections with our clients and guide them toward solutions that addresses their needs. We believe that every employee should be empowered to grow both personally and professionally and be supported by a collaborative team and a positive, uplifting atmosphere. If you're seeking a company where talent is celebrated, potential is nurtured, and work makes a meaningful differences, we invite you to apply for the position of a sales executive. At Sui Carbon Industrial Sales, our sales force is driven by passion for customer satisfaction and a commitment to excellence. We foster a culture of inclusivity and support for our team members, empowering them to deliver exceptional service with transparency and dedication. If you thrive on being challenged, working hard, and prioritizing customer experiences above all else, then Sui Carbon Industrial Sales is a workplace for you. Join us in shaping unparalleled customer journeys and making a lasting impact in our industry. Now, let us move for the job responsibilities of a sales executive. As a sales executive, first and foremost, you have to identify and pursue potential customers or clients through various sales channels, such as cold calling, networking, and referrals. Develop and nurture strong relationships with existing and prospective clients to understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Deliver compelling product and service presentations to showcase their value and address client questions head on. Negotiate terms and contracts with clients to secure deals while maintaining profitability for the company. Convert leads into sales by resolving client concerns and guiding them through the purchasing processes. You have to provide ongoing support to existing clients while ensuring their satisfaction, fostering long-term relationships. Stay current on industry trends, competitor activities, and customer feedback to identify new opportunities for improvement. You have to set and track sales goals and implement strategies for driving growth. You have to maintain sales records and provide quarterly sales reports. You have to work closely with cross-functional teams in marketing, the product development, and customer service to align efforts, leverage resources, and maximize sales opportunities. For the working hours and benefits, we need a full-time position that will be working from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. We have such benefits like SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth. We also have HMO healthcare plans, paid time off, commuting credits, or childcare reimbursements. The most interesting part is that we give sales commissions for every paid closed deals among customers. Every sales executive position is different. So for this particular position, you need some qualification and skills. First, you have you need to have an ability to articulate ideas clearly and persuasively. You have to be proficient in negotiating terms, contracts, and agreements with clients to secure deals while maintaining profitability and client satisfaction. You have to build and maintain relationship with clients, understand their needs, and addresses concerns effectively. Identify challenges or obstacles in the sales process and develop creative solutions to overcome them, ensuring successful deal closures. You have to handle reactions and rejections while maintaining motivation and focusing on achieving sales targets. Flexibility to adjust sales strategies and approaches based on client feedback. You have to be effective on prioritizing and organizing tasks to maximize productivity and meet sales targets within deadlines. Thorough understanding of the products or services being sold, including the features, benefits, and competitive advantages, to effectively communicate value to clients. Ability to analyze sales data, market trends, and customer feedback to identify growth opportunities. Comfortable using sales and CRM software tools to manage leads, track sales activities, and generate reports for analysis and decision making. For the education requirements, we need a bachelor's or master's degree with a concentration in advertising, sales, or business administration is one of the preferred courses. If you have an engineering or technology courses, it is an advantage, and it should be at least 5 years of industry sales experience, 1 or 2 to 3 years management experience, and you need to have a strategic leadership ability. Hi, good morning. Based on your resume, we were impressed that you met the desired qualifications that we are looking for the position of a sales executive. Now, I have certain questions that I want to ask for us to fully assess your application. Mr. Bolneo, tell me about yourself. Good morning, sir. I'm a typical citizen that loves to cook, sing, and dance. I'm easy to get along with. I love to connect with people with different culture, traditions, and points of views. I always see myself as a water symbolically that needs to flow, sometimes strong and sometimes smooth, but definitely will flow. Then why should we hire you? I spent the last 6 years working as a sales representative in a manufacturing company. And when I saw your company was hiring, I decided to give it a shot. I've been in different projects from my company before with foreign suppliers and customers. The most interesting part is that even me is still questioning. I'm always thirsty for a challenge and I will not stop until I overcome it. What are your strengths and weaknesses? My strength is that I can do multitasking with pressure. My weakness is using CRM software tools, but I am willing to work with it. I'm willing to learn with it. What interests you about this role? Being a sales executive is not an easy position, and you need to put all your efforts on it. Strengths, time, and strategies to close deals. That's why I chose to apply for this position, and I'm ready. I'm always ready to take on the challenge. What are your salary expectations? Sir, honestly speaking, I'm not into salary debriefing, but just for formality, disclosure, according to the Philippine standards, compensation should be 40 to 45,000 maybe per month. Congratulations, Mr. Borneo. You are now hired and you can come here in the office tomorrow to start and be prepared for the challenge. Good day.